This is Esther Upamaluich with Worship Now Here's How. Today I'd like to teach you a song called Let It Rain. This song is not in my book. However, it's very simple, the chords are easy, and the melody is easy. And so I wanted to include it here as a bonus song for you to learn. The chords for this song are only 4 chords. A minor, F, C over E, and G. The A minor chord is A, C, E. If you recall from exercise 10 and 12, which we just learned, A minor chord is A, C, E. The next chord is F major, F, A, C. The third chord is C, and this chord says C/E. That means that the E is supposed to be on the bottom of this chord. So instead of playing C, E, G like this, we're going to play it like this. E, G, C. And the final chord is G major. G, B, D. All of these chords are in root position. That means with the bottom note on the name of the chord on the bottom, except for C. Instead of having C on the bottom, it has E on the bottom. That's called the first inversion. Bonus information. We're going to start by playing the chords in the right hand and the bass note in the left hand. And we're going to play a 4-note, quarter note rhythm. So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we go to the next chord. So the A minor chord for 4 beats, that's 4 quarter notes. And then the F major chord for 4 quarter notes. And the C over E for 4 quarter notes. And back to the G chord for another 4 quarter notes. Let's hear how this sounds. And then it goes back to A minor. Very simple song. You can try this song another way, and you can play the chords in the left hand and the melody in the right hand. Because it's a little bit more difficult to play the melody, I suggest playing the chord only one time and let the right hand do the melody. So the melody starts on C or Do, C, B, A, or Do, Ti, La. That was with 4 quarter notes. Let me do it again with just a whole note. Very simple song. If you wanted to make it even more interesting, you could do broken chords with the left hand or the right hand. So you could try it like this. A broken chord simply means you're separating the notes of the chord and playing them by themselves instead of all at the same time. If we did it the other way around, with the right hand playing the chords and the left hand playing a single bass note, you could do it like this, with broken chords. Or another variation that's very easy to do is instead of playing a single bass note in the left hand, you could play octaves. That means you're going to play 2 A's at the same time, then 2 F's, then 2 E's, then 2 G's. This makes the sound more advanced without having to do a lot of extra work. An example of how you could play that is first with block chords. And secondly, with broken chords. So I've just given you 5 different ideas of how you could play this song, and it would be interesting if you mixed up the different ideas together and makes the whole song sound complete. Have fun experimenting, and congratulations on learning 4 new chords. That concludes Let It Rain.